Hi! So, ayan na nga. I've decided to do an unboxing video. I received my first order in Amazon. So, umorder lang naman tayo ng mga back massager para sa mga ating mga likods. So, ayan. Mag-unboxing na tayo ng madalian. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi ito PS4. So, huwag kayong mag-cringe-cringe. Okay? Yan na. Ito na natin. Wala, dapat, iningatan yung box kasi pwede pa di ito magamit ang box. No, kung may mga ganap ako, pwede rin siya sudlan. So, pero, kailangan nating bilisan kasi, yan. So, may duty pa ako mamaya. They just left this on my door. Ganun pala yun. Walang pirma-pirma, hindi tulad sa Shopee, kailangan kang pumirma-pirma. Ay, ano ba yan? Paklasin mo na nga lang. Ay, ganun pala yun. May ganun pala. Sorry naman. Ayan. So, I ordered earphone na naman. Grabe ang gastos ko dito sa earphone kasi hindi ako satisfy. Last time I bought an earphone, kaso nahuhulog siya. So, ay, may pababol. So, ito mga balon na to. Tutukin mo. Ayoko. Gawin ko ang una niya. And, this is my Giname. Gimme. Pero mamaya na tong earphone, dito muna tayo sa ating kneading massager. So, bale sa ano yan siya. So, yan, dito ang pangbuksanan. So, yan, hala, color blue. Okay lang, color blue. I like color blue. Ay, maganda yung color niya kasi sky blue. So, ano to? Charger. Hala ka, parang hala may babag. Ang ganda. And meron siyang, ang saya ko. Ganyan yan yun. This is how it looks like. Like, andito pala, mas malaki. Yes, so, I really need this one. You can go for upper back or neck, mid back, lower back, thighs, legs, waist, shoulders and arms. So, it's so nice. Like, we're gonna open it now. No? Wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. I like the color, really. I really like the color. So this is it. I really like the bag, no? May pa-bags siya. So, how do you do that? Does it need charging first? Oh, you have to plug it in. You have to plug it in before you use that. So, actually, I ordered this one because my friend, my workmate has this one, Ruscam. So, salamat sa pagpapatry sa akin kasi, yan, na-discover ko na pwede siyang i-order sa Amazon din. Umorder din ako. And then, meron to siyang warm compress. So, you're just gonna put your hands here and then just bag. Parang backpack to. So, are we gonna try this one now? So, ano to? I think you will plug it in here. Okay. So, what's this for? This is the car plug. But I don't have any car here. I don't have car, so wala tayong car dito. Sa Pinas lang. Sa Pinas yan magagamit. Pero, now, I've plugged this in already. Then what's next? Oh, it has a zip here. So, kung may zipper siya. Where's the ano? Bakit siya may zipper? May zipper siya dito, pero wala siyang pagbuksanan. Ay, andito, tinago. So, you can take this away, like, you can, ano ba? Teka lang ha, kasi, may zipper kasi dito, na-bother ako. Bakit siya may zipper? Tapos, hindi naman siya nagpapa-move. Baka mapunit. Bakit ganun? Hindi ko maano. Di bali na. I-on na natin siya. Oh! Ang ganda-ganda. Yeah, ganito din yung kay Rose Camacho. Bakit ba ako masusurprise? Aray? So, maganda yan habang hinahaplos mo yung efficacent oil. But, I think, hindi siya pwede like direct sa skin. Ay, ang sarap talaga, men. So, teka lang. Aray! So, that is how it goes like this. Wala, ang sarap talaga. So, I really need this one, no? Because I always have neck pain and the back pain. So, alay, sarap. Can I bring this to work? Now, you can go this. Ala ka o, ang mga panuhot natin dyan. So, nag-rotate na siya ng bonggang-bongga. You can go for your back, like that. Cha! Parang tanga. Arang, sarapa oy. Sarapa dyan. Ay, gilo ka oy. This is worth the buy. And pa-bonus pa na maganda yung color. I like the color. So, yeah, I think kailangan ba nating mag-rate? So, this is, hindi naman ako mahirap i-please ngayon. So, this is 5/5 for me. 5 stars. Check! Yeah, I really love it. I really love it. But I cannot feel the warmness, no? Like, maybe it will take some time. So, meron siyang, if you want, if you want to rotate it counterclockwise, clockwise, bahala ka na dyan. And then, what's this? We're gonna press this one. What's this one? Oh, this is the how slow and how fast you're gonna go. Ah, okay. So, meron siyang like, ano talaga, na-focus ang area. So, what's this? Oh, the lights will go off. Lights on and lights off. But I like the lights on. Kasi parang boring. So, ganyan. Parang may glow. Okay, okay. The massager has a built-in timer. It will automatically turn off after 15 minutes. So, it's nice, no? Kahit nakatulog ka na lang, it will turn off on its own to avoid possible overheating of the unit as well. Okay, it is not recommended to use the massager for more than 30 consecutive minutes. So, hindi pala pwede. Do not use in the bathroom, bathtub, or any setting with high levels of moisture. Okay. Okay, so this is just safety instructions right here. Yeah, in different languages. Anong naman pala yun? Yeah, so I think this is worth the buy. This is on sale actually. So parang nabili ko to around 42 euro. So, okay na din, no? Kasi I really need this one. I don't want to spend much, but if it's essential, I will. So, thank you. 10 minutes is done. Bye now.